Welcome to another Writing Center tutorial video. In this video, we will cover basic formatting for MLA and APA style papers using Microsoft Word. This video will not contain any tips for writing the papers, but will instead focus solely on the format required by each standard. Let's begin. The MLA handbook dictates that a paper should be written in a 12-point legible double-spaced font on a page with 1-inch margins, containing a header with your last name and page number in the top right corner. For the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that you've already written your paper in a basic text format. Before changing the format of a paper, we need to prepare the space on which we will be working. Click on the View tab across the top of your window, then click on Ruler. This should activate the ruler function now seen at the top and left side of your document. Now, click on Page Layout, Margins, and select the option with 1-inch margins on each side. Then click on the Home tab. In order to add your header, simply double-click in the 1-inch area above your paper. This will bring up a special tab that will allow you to add things like page number, header, and other text that you may need. To add an MLA-style header, simply click on Page Number at the top of the page in the right corner. Your page number should correspond with each page of the document. Then type your last name and a space. Now double-click in the body of your paper to return. Now that you have your margin and header established, you're ready to format the rest of the paper. We'll start with the font. Again, MLA standard dictates that you use a 12-point legible font with double-spaced lines. To change this, select all of your text and go to the Font area on the Home tab. Select your font and change the font size to 12. Then click on the Line Spacing button in the Paragraph area and select 2.0. Your lines are now double-spaced. All ETSA composition courses require an area of personal information in the top left corner. Simply click next to your title, press Return, enter your first and last name, the last name of your professor, the name of the course, the number of the course, and the date. Now, select your title, go back up to the paragraph area, and click on the Center Justification button. This will move your title to the center of the page. MLA formatting also dictates that you indent the first line of each paragraph. The common way to indent each line is to simply click on the top of the paragraph and press the Tab button. However, to ensure uniformity, select each paragraph and go back up to the Ruler button. You'll notice two triangles in the ruler area. The triangle pointing downward controls the first line of each paragraph. The triangle pointing upward controls each subsequent line. With your text selected, drag the downward-facing triangle to the half-inch mark. You will notice that the first line of each paragraph that you previously selected is now indented properly. Also included with most MLA formatted papers is a Works Cited page containing any sources that you claimed in your paper. The proper formatting for each source can be found in the proper reference manual. In order to properly format the Works Cited page, Again, select your text, and this time select the upward facing triangle and drag it to the ½ mark. This will create the hanging indent. Then ensure that your sources are ordered alphabetically by the first letter. This concludes basic MLA formatting.